Most options trading communities look impressive at first. Alerts, screenshots, fast profits. But the real question is, are those alerts structured around probability and risk management? Or just momentum chasing? Today, we're doing a detailed Owls Options Traders review, looking at strategy structure, trade logic, pricing, and whether this community actually provides a repeatable framework. Owls Options Traders is primarily a Discord-based options trading community focused on short-term equity and index options. The structure revolves around live trade alerts, chart-based analysis, and group discussion. This is not an automated signal bot or algorithmic trading platform. It's discretionary trading shared within a structured group environment. What separates a useful trading group from noise is strategy clarity. Based on trade examples and discussions, Owls Options Traders trading focuses mainly on directional calls and puts, debit spreads, and occasional credit spreads. They also focus on intraday momentum setups on high liquidity tickers like SPY, QQQ, Tesla, and Apple. Most entries are technical analysis driven, breakouts, support, resistance reclaims, VWAP holds, and volume confirmation. Risk management appears to be discussed openly, including defined stop-loss levels and partial profit taking. One thing that matters in options trading is not just direction, but contract selection. From what's shared, contract selection often considers delta sensitivity, days to expiration, implied volatility context, and liquidity. That's important because many beginner groups ignore contract structure entirely. From what's shared, contract selection often considers delta sensitivity and days to expiration. They also look at implied volatility context and the bid-ask spread. The Owls Options Traders Discord includes structured channels, alerts, daily watch lists, and education threads. The recap portion is important. Reviewing winners and losers helps traders understand execution mistakes rather than just celebrating wins. The pricing for Owls Options Traders is structured across several tiers, monthly at $59.99, up to a lifetime access for $19.99. The lifetime tier suggests they expect long-term retention, but realistically, you'd only consider that if you plan to actively trade for years. If available, an Owls Options Traders promo code or Owls Options Traders Pro promo code can reduce upfront cost. Coupon codes are listed in the description. There are occasionally limited trial access windows, but these aren't guaranteed. There's also a separate product called the Owls Options Traders Subrocs TradeKit system. That's not a community. It's more of a structured trade planning toolkit. Think of it as predefined trade management templates, with entry criteria, stop rules, scaling logic, rather than live alerts. Based on user feedback and activity, this appears to be a legitimate trading community, not a fake screenshot-based signal seller. However, legitimate does not mean guaranteed profitability. Your results depend entirely on execution discipline and position sizing. Emotional control, and market conditions. Let's look at the pros. The community offers defined entry logic in most alerts and an active discussion environment. You get exposure to multiple option strategies and an emphasis on chart context. On the flip side, there are some realistic cons to consider. There is no verified long-term performance audit available. The Discord pace may overwhelm beginners, and it requires significant capital and discipline to follow. So here's the conclusion. If you're looking for structured options trading discussion with live setups and technical reasoning, Owls Options Traders provides value. If you're expecting automated profits or guaranteed returns, that's not what this is. For traders who already understand options Greeks, risk-reward modeling, and capital allocation, this community can act as a supplemental decision layer. It's not a replacement for your own system. Links and promo codes are in the description if you want to evaluate it yourself. Trade responsibly. We'll see you in the next review.